This is the Android and Google channel. Welcome aboard. And of course, this is the Android Google News for Thursday, September 13th, 2018. And today in our tech news, we have Google Inbox that is shutting down its service in March. This was, of course, what was previously used before Gmail apps and Gmail arrived. And it had many features that people loved, so some people are actually kind of not that happy that this is actually moving away. So the shutdown will be in March. The main reason is that most of what is in here is now moved to Gmail, and of course Google wants you to move to Gmail instead. Samsung has updated its version of Samsung Health app. So the Samsung Health is now at version 6, and more monitoring and improvements in the interface. So if you have a Samsung device, Samsung Health is now updated. I have seen the update on my phone. It looks nice, so we'll see what's going to happen. Well, the announcements yesterday of iPhones are probably going to kind of secure a lot of Android users saying, well, I don't see why I should move on to an iPhone from my Android device. Better yet, a lot of the announcements and things that were actually announced were pretty much already done on some, Android phones, including my Galaxy S9 Plus. And to add to the insult, Huawei said, thank you for not doing anything new. So I guess, it's a big war that's going on with the iPhone versus Android phones out there. iPhones now have no more headphone jacks. There's no more iPhone that has this. And of course, we're looking at the Android phones who are going to remove 3.5 millimeter headphone jacks. Well, a lot of Android phones in the next generation promise to actually have this removed, which means the days of using this good old plug are pretty much counted. Samsung rumors also say that the next generation of their phones will maybe remove the headphone jack also. A report says that recycling of Android phones is being made very difficult for one simple reason. Many of the devices have an almost impossible to remove lithium-ion battery because there's too much glue, and it makes it impossible at the same time to take the device apart properly for proper recycling. And of course, this report says that manufacturers should actually take the time to create devices that are easier to recycle. And finally, Google Assistant dual language is broken. It seems that users are reporting that, after setting it up, it only works in one language, or if you speak a different language, it answers back in English. Google says, yeah, there's a few little things happening, but we're fixing and we're working on fixing the problems. So I guess an update will soon fix this. And this was the Android and Google News for Thursday, September 13, 2018. Enjoy videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.